Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. No semis today. We're going to be working on this 2019 Yukon Denali. It is the daily driver. And you see the fog lights are the halogen, you got the LED, and then you got the HID, and then you got the halogen. We can't do that. They got to be all the same color, guys. They got to be the same color. So, we have LEDs going in the high beams, going in the fog lights, and a black grill going on. All in this video. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is the grill we're putting on. There will be an Amazon link below. But, as you can tell, it's all blacked out. But I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, and I'm going to get busy on the truck. Alright, so you have push rivets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And on this top cover should lift off. You do have to drill this rivet out here that holds the grill in, and here. And then I believe these are all 10 millimeters that hold the bumper on. We shall confirm. They are 10 mil, and they are pretty loose. So that's a plus. And then this harness right here, you don't want to mess up. You want to pull this away properly. And this is to all your front sensors in the front. If you have a Yukon Denali or a Yukon that has the front object detection. And this also is your fog light harness, I believe, which this lets the bumper come off in one piece. Just pull this red pin back right here with a pick, which we'll do here in a second, and then unbolt that. And you have a 10 millimeter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I believe in the inner fender we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It feels like 6 in the inner fender, and there still should be 2 more 10 millimeters about right here and about right here. Alright, so that's unclipped now. Used a pick and then a clip separator to pull the 2 wire harness loose. And then your pigtails sit over here like so. Then we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter bolts out of the top. And then your inner fender liner will be a 7 mil. There's 5 on each side. They're 10 millimeters underneath. Correction, 4 on each side. And then there is also a push clip holding the, there's a push clip holding the carpeted fender when it goes down underneath. There's 2 bolts and there's a push clip you also got to release. Alright, that's how you get your front bumper off. There is 2 clips on the back side. So this is after you get your bumper off. As you can see, you can do a little bit of fine detailing. This, I've never had it off anyway. There's 2 clips right here you have to reach down to get to that release these. But yeah, so this is your underside, your front, your bumper, your radar. Here's your chrome grille. Now as you can see, you take the emblem out first, which we'll do, and then you gotta clip all these out to put the new grill in, which we'll get to that right now. There's the emblem. You just push on these little tabs right here with a pick, and it pops right out. I actually think we're gonna wrap this a different color before we put it on our new grill. Once you get your rivets out, you're going to start on this one side. And you're going to remove your chrome grill and put it somewhere else. Then you're going to take your black grill. Now that's done, we're going to switch our fog lights out real quick because, hell, let's face it, they are super easy to get to. And that's your LED install. And all right, guys. So it's been a little bit longer in real time. I had to fix my adaptive cruise radar thing, which was more work than I expected. Anyway, so we got the black grill in. I did wrap the emblem. I did wrap the fog light bezels, which I did off camera. Kind of forgot to put them in. We do have our new fog lights plugged in each side. As you can see, everything's up there. So we are going to flip the bumper around, and I guess you get to see the emblem kind of right off the bat. I don't understand why you got to have the truck on to test the LEDs. But I did see they came on and they were probably 100 times brighter than they were before. So that makes me excited. We're going to get this bolted up and we'll be back. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Huge transformation. The black grill really sets it off versus the chrome, which we'll do a quick comparison. And I'm not a chrome guy. But as you can tell, I mean, that's a huge difference. From chrome to black. I still enjoyed the murdered out look. I have been looking at the, I think they're Morimoto blacked out headlights. That's a big commitment. I haven't really pulled the trigger on that yet. But for now, we have the blacked out chrome bezels down below where the fog lights are. I wrapped those myself. Wrap the emblem green. Green and black are just kind of my colors. I don't know if I'll keep it green. It's a little too much, honestly, on all the black. And then on the next video, we will be doing a cold air inductions, cold air intake, and a cabin air filter, because I need both of these. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the next one. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe button below. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.